The 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Article 5, Suffrage. Hi guys, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. This video is part of the review materials I made for viewers to gain knowledge in every topic. Today I will be discussing the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Article 5, Suffrage. Section 1. Suffrage may be exercised by all citizens of the Philippines not otherwise disqualified by law, who are at least 18 years of age, and who shall have resided in the Philippines for at least 1 year and in the place wherein they propose to vote for at least 6 months immediately preceding the election. No literacy, property, or other substantive requirement shall be imposed on the exercise of suffrage. Section 2. The Congress shall provide a system for securing the secrecy and sanctity of the ballot as well as a system for absentee voting by qualified Filipinos abroad. The Congress shall also design a procedure for the disabled and the illiterates to vote without the assistance of other persons. Until then, they shall be allowed to vote under existing laws and such rules as the Commission on Elections may promulgate to protect the secrecy of the ballot. Nature. Mere privilege. Suffrage is not a natural right of the citizens but privilege to be given or withheld by the lawmaking power subject to constitutional limitations. It is granted to individuals only upon fulfillment of certain minimum conditions deemed essential for the welfare of the country. Political right. It is classified as political right, enabling every citizen to participate in the process of government to assure that its powers from the consent of the governed. The principle is that of one man, one vote. Qualifications of voters. 1. A citizen of the Philippines, both male and female. 2. Not otherwise disqualified by law. 3. At least 18 years of age. 4. Have resided in the Philippines for at least 1 year and in the place wherein he proposes to vote for at least 6 months preceding the election. Residence qualification. 1. A voter must have been a permanent resident of the Philippines for at least 1 year preceding the election. 2. 6 months residence in a province, city, or municipality is considered the minimum length of time within which a person can adequately familiarize himself with the needs and condition in the personalities of the locality. Type of election. 1. Regular, refers to an election participated by those who possess the right of suffrage and not disqualified by law and who are registered voters. 2. Special, one held to fill in the vacancy in office before expiration of the term for which incumbent was elected. Scope of suffrage. 1. Election, means by which people choose their officials for definite and fixed periods and to whom they entrust, for the time being as their representatives, the exercise of powers of government. 2. Plebiscite, the vote of the people expressing their choice for or against a proposed law or enactment submitted to them. 3. Referendum, it is submission of a law or part thereof passed by the national or local legislative body to the voting citizens of a country for their ratification or approval. 4. Initiative, the process whereby the people directly propose and enact laws. 5. Recall, method by which a public officer may be removed from office during his tenure or before the expiration of his term by a vote of the people after registration of a petition signed by a required percentage of voters. Republic Act 8189, Voters Registration Act of 1996. A citizen, in order to be qualified to exercise his right to vote, in addition to the minimum requirements set by Fundamental Charter, is obliged by law to register. Question: What is an election? Answer: it is the selection of candidates to public office by popular vote. Case analysis. Question: Andrew, while of legal age and of sound, is illiterate. He has asked your advice on how he can vote in the coming election, for his brother is running for mayor. This will be the first time Andrew will vote, and he has never registered as a voter before. What advice will you give him on the procedure he needs to follow in order to be able to vote? Answer: the Constitution provides that until Congress shall have provided otherwise, illiterate and disabled voters shall be allowed to vote under the existing laws and regulations. Article 5, Section 2, it is necessary for any qualified voter to register in order to vote. In the case of illiterate and disabled voters, their voter's affidavit may be prepared by any relative within the 4 civil degree on consanguinity of affinity, or any board of election inspectors who shall prepare the affidavit in accordance with the data supplied by the affidavit. Case analysis. Question: what is absentee voting? Case analysis. Answer: a process by which qualified citizens of the state of the Philippines abroad exercise their right to vote in pursuant to the constitutional mandate that Congress shall provide a system for absentee voting for qualified Filipinos abroad. The 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Article 5, Suffrage. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Have a nice day, God bless us all, and bye for now. Bye.